Okay, this is Rolo doing random things, bringing you a public service announcement. We are actually here in the Sierra Nevadas, and we're stuck in a snowstorm, right? So if you're going to come up here, make sure that you bring warm clothes. Make sure that you bring a shovel. Make sure that you bring your snow chains. Make sure you have AAA. A lot of people getting stuck. A lot of people getting put in a bind here. So this is Rolando Arellano coming to you live from the Sierra Nevadas. Check this out. People are getting stuck. People are getting hurt. So be careful. Okay. So with that said, over and out, and be safe. It's beautiful, beautiful, but could be treacherous. Look, we got like 6 feet of snow.